are out ice fishing. We've been out here for probably, what, 4.5 hours? And this is called a clam. It's the brand, but it's like a pop-up ice house here. We've got 4 holes. And yeah, we're just fishing our little hearts out. We haven't caught anything yet, but that's okay. And it's pretty cozy in here. On the outside it looks like an igloo. I'll show you that in a little bit. But we have these cool built-in lights. I know I'm probably like blinding you there, but apparently that's a pretty cool feature. So anyway, that is what we're doing this Saturday night. Oops. And if anything else exciting happens, I'll let you guys know. Good morning. It is Sunday. I'm making some bacon in the oven, brats on the stovetop, and then I'm going to do eggs and toast for me here. We went ice fishing last night, as you guys saw, and then we came back and kind of just laid low. We watched a movie. I fell asleep early, had another couple drinks, so it was a good night. Today we're gonna, I don't really know if we're gonna go out or not. We need to bring recycling to the recycling center. There's just stuff everywhere, and I need to run the robot vacuum. I also probably need to film something, but I don't know if we'll do that today or tomorrow, so we'll see. But that is the update so far. Nothing too crazy. Hey guys, we are dropping off our recycling. He's getting the last few boxes. And we're gonna go look at some more land. This is different land we've never seen before. So we'll see what that's all about. But it's really nice out. It's like 30 degrees. So I just have my sweatshirt and my flannel, and yeah, it's just kind of refreshing in a way to not be like so bundled up, but pretty low-key Sunday. Hi guys, I just finished going grocery shopping. It's Monday, of course. I always go grocery shopping on Monday. It is about 11:50, so I am down here by the lake to give you our weekly lake update. And yeah, pretty quick trip into the grocery store. I got 2 lobster tails. We're gonna have lobster and steak for Christmas. And then I got some pop soda, but Minnesota it's pop. And I got some eggs, cheese, and spinach because I'm going to do like a sausage egg bake. But yeah, really little trip. So let's just go ahead and show you the lake, and we'll go home and unload our groceries. Alright, so here we are. We do have some snow, but the ice out here is completely ice. We were out ice fishing there on Saturday night. So it's there. We're just hoping that the snow doesn't get too heavy or too thick, because it's kind of like a blanket on the ice. So if you get too much snow, it weakens it and it warms it up, so it kind of melts. So we do have a little bit of snow, but hoping for no more, just so that we have good ice going into the Christmas weekend. But that is the update on the lake. Okay, so Black Friday, I made 2 orders, one at Good Molecules and one with Sephora. So I'm here, finally picked them up from the P.O. box. I want to talk through them. So here are the Sephora samples. I got the Fenty foundation and this mask. That's kind of cool. And then I got the Hourglass quad that they came out with. So we'll open that in a second. And I also got this little Glow Recipe Skin Trio. So it comes with a cleanser, the retinol eye cream, and then a moisturizer. This was, like it says it's $42, but I got it on sale. My slip says, what doesn't say? I believe it was like $28, so I thought that was good. And then I also got my birthday gift. I'm in December, so I'm always the last one to get it, but I got the Sol de Janeiro creams, the Green Clean makeup remover. So I thought that would be nice. I love a good makeup remover, and I like getting them as samples because they're good to travel with when they're this size. Okay, and then this is that Hourglass quad. It's this really pretty gold, and I like the size of it. It's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. And those are the shades. So you have a blush, a bronzer, this is like a highlighter, and then this is one of their powders, which I think is awesome. So those are the four. The powder is to the left of the bronzer, but I'm not sure you can really tell. So yeah, I think that's pretty. I'm excited to try that out. This was like screaming at me. I really wanted the 6-pan, but I decided the 4-pan was more reasonable. So settled there. And then let's take a look at my Good Molecules box. I picked up I think it's called the Hero Regime. It's like their best sellers, and they're all full sizes, which is awesome. And they were having either 15 or 20% off. So I got, this is normally $81 for all this, but I think I got it for 50 something. So we have their cleansing balm. We've got let's see here. These are the eye patches, like your under eye gels, you know. What's this? Oh, a squalene oil. Very nice. And this is the hyaluronic acid serum. I got the overnight exfoliating treatment. So this is an AHA and BHA serum, it looks like. Then we got the niacinamide toner, which I'm very excited to try, and the moisturizer. So a lot of these ingredients and products are things that I already use. Like I already use a hyaluronic acid. I already use a acid like exfoliating serum too. So this should be really perfect to just kind of supplement as I'm finishing things up. And I'm just excited to try out the brand. I've heard a lot about it, but never tried anything. So that is what I thought I would share. You guys, it is Tuesday and it is 1:30. I am breaking for my lunch. I had kind of a busy morning, but I had my annual review today, which is exciting and just kind of, I don't know, makes me reflect. So that was nice to get done and talk to my boss and my manager just about career goals and, you know, all that fun stuff. I'm going to make some lunch. I'm going to do my sweet potato, avocado, egg situation that I like so much. And I don't have any more meetings this afternoon, which is great because I can kind of catch up and maybe kind of prep a little bit more. So I have to work tomorrow, and then we as a company are off Thursday, Friday. But then next week I took the whole week off, which I'm so excited for. My birthday is on Wednesday, but I will be able to just chill for the whole week, and I desperately need that. So that is the update, and I'm sticking to it. Good morning, friends. It is about 10 o'clock on Wednesday. It's the last work day of the week, which is exciting. And we have a blizzard going on. So it's just super windy out there, and it's blowing around quite a bit. So here's, I mean, if you look at the flag, it's just whipping. So that is the excitement. I was going to go maybe for a walk today, but I don't think that's going to happen. So I'll probably just do like maybe an arm workout or something else. But I've been putting out fires all morning at work. Like, woke up to a phone call before my alarm went off kind of morning, which is not really what I'm into, but it's last day, and then I am off for all of next week, and I am so excited. So we're gonna get through it. Deep breaths. And I finally made my coffee too, which is a nice plus. So I'm gonna get on some phone calls, maybe yell at some people. They're probably gonna yell back at me. No, it's not gonna be yelling, but maybe some harsh tone, you know, like a establishment tone. Anyway, some people just don't understand. Merry Christmas Eve, everyone. It is Thursday, and we've been up, well, I've been up for a while. Boyfriend is still sleeping, but I'm going to be making like a egg bake. So I've got sausage, egg, spinach, and cheese going into it. Pretty basic, but it fits with his keto-ness, and it's just something easy I can make. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm still in my PJs. Got these from Target. I just love the striping. And I need to wrap one last Christmas present, and that's all I know. I need to just kind of like do dishes, tidy up our house. We are going to be on Zoom tomorrow, so I'd like to just get my chores done today so that tomorrow we can relax and be on Zoom with family and just hang out. So that's the plan. Miko, what are you doing? Oh, tired kitty. Merry Christmas, you guys. I hope you've had a nice day. We've had a really chill kind of day. We had a Zoom with my boyfriend's family at 11, and then we did our gift exchange after that. I called my dad. We talked for probably 40 minutes, and then we've just been hanging out. So I want to show you, my boyfriend got me some earrings and bracelet that match. So these are the earrings, how pretty. And then this is the bracelet. So it's the same kind of design, but yeah, super generous and pretty and sparkly, and I love it. He asked me what I wanted, and I said anything pretty, so that definitely checks the box. But he is going out to grill right now. We're going to have lobster tail steak. We're gonna split both of those together, and then we also got a package of bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers, which we haven't had for months, and I'm so excited to have those. So we're just going to kind of pig out on those things, but they all look so yummy. So I'll show you when they're done. But that is what's going on. So pretty quiet, didn't really have much to share, but that's okay. That's kind of what I want my Christmas to be this year, is just relaxing.